Hey there! Today we're going to tackle a common problem that many of us have encountered: the issue of procrastination. Yes, that sneaky little habit that keeps us from being as productive as we'd like to be. It's a problem that affects just about everyone at some point in their lives. Whether it's putting off a task until the last minute or constantly getting distracted, procrastination can be a real productivity killer. Now, let's talk about the solution to this problem. The key to overcoming procrastination lies in breaking down your tasks into smaller, more manageable chunks. By taking on one small task at a time, you can build momentum and make progress without feeling overwhelmed. Another effective solution is to set specific deadlines for yourself and hold yourself accountable. This can help prevent you from putting things off until the last minute. In addition to breaking tasks into smaller chunks and setting deadlines, another helpful solution is to eliminate distractions. This means turning off notifications on your phone, finding a quiet workspace, and maybe even using productivity apps to help you stay focused. By creating a distraction-free environment, you can maximize your efficiency and get more done in less time. To sum it all up, overcoming procrastination is all about breaking tasks into smaller chunks, setting deadlines, and eliminating distractions. By following these tips, you can boost your productivity and reach your goals more effectively. So, next time you catch yourself procrastinating, remember these solutions and take action. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment below with your favorite productivity hack.